Before you spend hundreds of dollars on a professional scan tool, there's one key difference between the XTOOL D7W and the XTOOL D7S that most buyers completely overlook. Both scanners offer bidirectional control, full system diagnostics, ECU coding, and AI-assisted diagnostics. But one gives you greater convenience, while the other delivers nearly the same professional features for less money. So, which one is the better buy? Let's find out. Let's start with the XTOOL D7W. The D7W is the latest upgrade in the D7 series, designed to make professional diagnostics more convenient with its dedicated wireless Wi-Fi VCI. Instead of staying connected by a cable, you can move freely around the vehicle while performing diagnostics or active tests. It delivers OE-level full system diagnostics for all major vehicle modules and supports over 150 vehicle brands with modern protocols like CAN-FD, DUIP, and FCA AutoAuth. The D7W also offers more than 4,000 bidirectional active tests, allowing you to activate components such as cooling fans, fuel pumps, windows, mirrors, injectors, and ABS pumps to verify repairs more efficiently. For advanced users, it supports ECU coding and offline PMI programming on compatible vehicles, along with more than 39 maintenance functions, including oil reset, EPB reset, ABS bleeding, injector coding, battery registration, SAS calibration, and crankshaft relearn. Running on Android 10 with a 7-inch touchscreen, 2 GB RAM, and 64 GB storage, the D7W also includes AI-assisted diagnostics, AutoVin, AutoScan, and 8 live data graphs, making it a powerful diagnostic tool for both DIY users and professional workshops. Now let's move to the XTOOL D7S. The D7S shares many of the same professional diagnostic capabilities. It offers OE-level full system diagnostics, AI-assisted diagnostics, ECU coding, offline PMI programming, over 4,000 bidirectional active tests, and more than 39 maintenance functions. Like the D7W, it supports over 150 vehicle brands along with CAN-FD, DUIP, and FCA AutoAuth compatibility. The biggest difference is connectivity. Unlike the D7W's wireless Wi-Fi VCI, the D7S connects directly to the vehicle using a traditional OBD2 diagnostic cable. If you usually work in one position inside a workshop, this wired connection is reliable and straightforward. But if you frequently move around the vehicle while performing active tests or monitoring live data, it isn't quite as convenient as the D7W's wireless setup. The D7S also runs Android 10 with 2 GB RAM and 64 GB storage, supports AutoVin, AutoScan, 8 live data graphs with recording and playback, Wi-Fi software updates, and detailed diagnostic reports. So, which one should you choose? If you want the freedom of wireless diagnostics, easier movement around the vehicle, and a more convenient day-to-day diagnostic experience, the XTOOL D7W is the clear winner. However, if you don't mind using a wired connection and want nearly the same professional diagnostic features at a more affordable price, the XTOOL D7S delivers outstanding value. The good news is that both scanners provide professional-level diagnostics, advanced ECU coding, over 4,000 active tests, and powerful maintenance functions that can save you time, reduce unnecessary repairs, and help you avoid expensive dealership visits. Now we'd like to hear from you. Which scanner would you choose? The wireless XTOOL D7W or the value-packed XTOOL D7S? Let us know your choice in the comments below. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more scanner reviews, buying guides, and comparison videos.